Well, it looks like my work here is done. Probably do some errands right about now. Hey, doggy. Well, I decided to run some quick errands since I'm finished working. But me and Abby had done something stupid, but not stupid. And maybe you could get a drop too, doggy. Would you look at the time? I gotta go run some errands. Well, I guess I'll see you later, doggy. Wow, that kid is something else. Not bad, but I'm gonna go see Abby.
I think I'd rather skip through the reading stuff.
Hey, Abby. I was just about to run some errands. Pretty cool, right?
Why on earth would you go run errands?
Well, what can I say? It's a perfect success. I mean, you may not get the idea, but not being perfect, but it's simple.
You never make sense.
Maybe this adventure will work. Probably. Well, I gotta say, it needs more ingredients though. But it's still working. Don't know.